Introducing Superblocks 3.0, the world's first vibe coding platform that protects your company from AI-powered cyber attacks. In one prompt, Superblocks can create internal tools, customer portals, and even replace million-dollar SaaS. We'll tell Superblocks, create a CRM with an AI sales assistant to replace Salesforce. Get deals from Snowflake, use Claude to analyze deals, and suggest the next best action in Slack. Superblocks knows to use Fable 5 for complex planning, then shifts the build work to lower-cost open-source models, building the deal page, AI assistant, and Slack alerts in parallel. Superblocks validates our permissions to data sources and spins up an AWS database inside our private cloud to power the CRM. Superblocks is done. Let's see how it works. The client sent a message saying they need to pause for 6 months to get budget approval. Now the AI assistant is reasoning, and there we go. It moved the deal stage, added a note, and set a reminder to follow up before the 6-month mark. The building is just the start. When we hit publish, Superblocks deploys a swarm of security agents that are scanning for business logic flaws, chained authorization bypasses, and supply chain vulnerabilities. Here, a security agent finds a critical issue. A package imported from our private registry contains a newly disclosed vulnerability. It immediately alerts the build agent, which upgrades the dependency. After passing every security check, the app deploys inside our AWS account, inheriting our network, identity, encryption, and audit controls, while our sales team accesses it securely through Okta SSO. Unlike Replit and Lovable, Superblocks keeps your data in your private cloud, automatically blocks vulnerable code, and uses agent orchestration to cut token costs by up to 30%. Right now, CISOs and CIOs have two choices. Either block vibe coding entirely or open the floodgates and put your company's most sensitive data at risk. Superblocks creates the third option. Allow everyone to build, but do so with the right security and governance. To celebrate the launch, we're building 1,000 apps for free. Comment a SaaS tool you hate and why, and we'll build an enterprise-grade replacement for you.